Everybody, it's Matt at Sparkle Farm. Honey and I are doing some maintenance on the IS 600Z Ferris Zero Turn. Now that it's finally like dried out here on the property a little bit, I'm able to cut more of the yard and get two different areas. But the problem is the grass is tall, and I'm going to show you the quick maintenance that I'm doing. Only because this is coming up on 2 years old. I have just under 40 hours on it. Like, that's how fast this makes my the few acres of yard go. But this is what we're fixing. So we're taking out the wheels. We're cleaning out all the tall grass that gets wound around the bearing or the shaft. That I'm worried about it wearing out the wheel bearing. So we're going to take the wheels off, clean them up, pop them back in, and we'll be good to go. So this is super easy to do. I jacked it up already, but that's it. Ooh, spins a little hard. I guess the other one does too. But I don't have 2 3/4 inch wrenches, so crescent wrench it is. So all this here will slowly work its way in. See, it already starting to get there, winding tight. So that's out. Just gonna take my finger and get all that off. Okay. So that's how quick of a fix this is. So there's nothing wrong. It just needed some attention. And so we'll just put that back together and tighten it back up. It might be a little too tight. We can call that a win. All right. All right, so that is what we pulled out. I had the same on the other side. I did this on the Power Wagon. Yeah. I don't know what I was been driving through, but obviously tall grass. So quick, easy maintenance. Probably be a headache down the road if I didn't do it. So all done. All right, thanks for watching.